Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. Hope you people are doing good. Today I'm going to show you a very simple breakfast or dinner recipe of Karnataka. Healthy, tasty and yummy too. So all we are going to prepare is akki roti. Akki means rice. The roti which is going to be prepared with rice flour. So I've taken 2 cups of rice flour here. I've taken 3 green chilies. You can modify this according to your taste. I've taken grated carrot. Here I've taken 2 grated carrot. Also along with this you can take radish, methi leaves, onions. If you don't have anything else, you can just simply prepare with the grated onions also. But I like to prepare it with the carrot because it's healthy. Also it gives a good taste. So I've taken grated carrot here. Then I've taken 1 teaspoon of jeera, some coriander, salt and haldi. Without any delay, we'll get into the preparation now. To start with, we'll first take a bowl and add rice flour to it. Now to this add the salt, turmeric, grated carrot, and these 3 you can either crush it in a mortar or pestle, or otherwise you can grate this green chilies. Otherwise you can even use a mixer jar for that. I'll show you. I've just used a mixer jar here. We'll be adding this here. Now I'll first mix this dry ingredients. To this we'll add water little by little and mix it. So I'm adding little oil here. So our dough is ready here. Soft. See, this is how it is. Soft. It is soft and also not sticking to your hands. I'm taking a parchment paper here. You can take any polythene paper, polythene cover. To this, I'll add little oil. And I'm taking a big bowl of this dough. You can even use water and press it and shape it, but I'm showing you the other way. I've placed it in the center and I'm covering this. I'm going to roll it out. So this is how I've done. Now we'll just heat the tawa. Slowly take it over. And here I'll be making just 2-3 holes for it to cook properly. Let me pour oil here. Flip it on the other side. And add little oil again. That's all. This is cooked on both the sides now. We'll prepare the next one again. Brush it with oil. Let me take one more bowl. So here's our rakhi roti ready. I'm just serving it with cabbage chutney. This actually goes very well with any chutney or pickle, and also this groundnut powder. It tastes awesome with this. And this is pickle. So just give it a try and let me know it in the comment section. Thanks for all the subscribers who are watching my videos regularly and supporting me. Keep supporting me as always. Do try this recipe and let me know it in the comment section. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Share it with your friends and do subscribe if you have still not. Till we meet next time in a different recipe, this is Amrita signing off. Take care. Bye bye.